Hello everybody, and a very warm welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at the aircraft, which I don't normally fly. However, there is some exciting news from the people of Navigraph with the implementation of the Navigraph charts to the TBM930 and the citation longitude. These updates come for the G3000 and the G5000. So without any further delay, let's pop into the cockpit and we'll show you how to get this fantastic plugin. So here we are, and we're going to concentrate on the Navigraph charts and not the flying of the aircraft, as this update is in the middle of the beta testing for the new avionics update, which is coming up in the latest sim update. However, more exciting stuff is still yet to come. So first things first, what we need to do is let's start powering up the aircraft. Let's just remove the yoke and wait for the avionics to arm. So let's go to the control panel, and then first of all what we need to do is set the flight plan. So let's just pop in the flight plan. So just go to sim brief, and what it will do is it will come up with previous flights that you've had. So just press the latest one, which is request, press import, and it comes up with the departure of the Mythos 3 Alpha. And if we click down, it tells you that we're on runway 06 Ibiza. Click on destination, select the approach, and it'll tell you that you're going for the ILS X-ray 06 arrival. Press home, go to utilities, and just check your weights and your payloads. Make sure that they're all input, which they all are. Takeoff, if you go fob sync, it will self-populate. Landing, and that seems to be in order. Minimums we do on approach, click on home, click on performance, takeoff data, tells you the departing airport on the runway. Load meta and wind, it will self-populate. Tells you the runway elevation and the length. Takeoff config, we're going on the flaps 1, anti-ice off, reverse is stored, takeoff factor is 1, and roll off takeoff is no. Click back on home. Now if you're having trouble inputting your flight plan, all you need to do is make sure that your SimBrief account is connected. So go to utilities, go to setup, go to Navigraph settings, go to the account tab, and it should tell you your subscription there. And all you need to do is simply log in using your account information. Go back on home, and now what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the charts. So go to charts. If I zoom out a little, you'll be able to see that we've got the charts for our arrival airport. You can actually make this full screen by simply coming down to the bottom, click on full, and as you can see, it fills up the screen. You can actually make that bigger by simply clicking on the charts again, go to chart options and fit width, and it will show you a little bit more detailed of the actual arrival. You can also click on things like just a plan, so it tells you the arrival part. You can look at the profile, so in this case 3,000 feet, going down to 2,000 feet, and then taking a 3 degrees glide path. You can just look at the minimums, or you can simply look at the header for the radio navigations. Then click back to all, and you'll see it again. Fit width, and you'll see the full arrival chart. If you click back, you can also look at the departures, the SIDs, the arrivals, and again the approach. To change the airport, all you need to do, click on the code, and pop in your arrival airport or your departure airport, whichever you want to do. Click on find, select the airport, and again departure, arrival and approaches. Again, if you want to go full screen, chart options, bit width, and it's as easy as that. Again, if you want to have your map and the charts up together, all you need to do is click on half again, and it will come up with the map and also your charts. There's also a handy little tip also. If we go down to the other system here, we can split the screens. So as you can see, you'll have your artificial horizon, your navigation map, your charts, and also your traffic. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to power up the aircraft, taxi to the runway, and you will join me next in the cruise level. So we are coming into Ibiza, and the glide slope has been armed, the localizer has been captured, and there's a little green dot which tells us that we're on the glide slope. So as you can see on the navigation maps, I've swapped them over, and we're onto the glide slope as we speak now. So we're on the second set of flaps. Autopilot off. Hold the flare. Use the power. And a nice touchdown. First is on. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any future content or live streams. Thank you again. Until the next time, take care. Bye bye for now.